Sompa 90.7, Sompa 93.1, Sompa 98.9. And some of your neighbors so most I can't cast your boy Edikai. The identity might be any. Wame bank about time radro wakasa so bedu betu biada se sidi no anwo de no ebetimi so agina. Mampani abedi echire ya sabre wono ne Frank Crafo di ma ni pipi amanyuko se ne ye friend say yisidi e yade ebetumi abo papa me ntokura e da kwan bi enipa bi fa so wiesika no yes ya no owura Johnson ese edu nkatia egusuada e kasa kire eni DC party agent omo ba bi echocho din se eye Syria no mess no wo mo nkoso ano wo mo ntwere enso mfamre no na wo kasa se abato commission niema bi ayera no betu akofensu so bone so ede aba amanane so afo abedi akire enso kan sembi from Spain what to be so ede ebreyen ye bebode awuramu ensavu from ye maame ne papa no a wo mutintim nwoma wo mse eboa ne tasse egusu no egu wo no madwuma ebi kan wa no pay yesi nkonwa na me de abramu se kontonkro solo wahini ni ama kranchada zo of mami premier ni medin kase bono yantu ye bo ase na fe yentie ni kiremu ankasa Wame bank about time amrado odano no Dr. Ernest Addison eno de asembia betudwa wo kirem sampa sabre uhye doda no ni sidi no a ase sidi no eda form ena doda no akura gina ne konso wo ye Ghana Gala night eno de asemwe editu mu no wase ne kofa ba ye nyina ye foreign exchange eno nti wo ye de obetu bia da foreign exchange no ebetumi agina yie na no atumi aboa amesidi na hoden ne so atumi e kama o se enra no pa no wo kasa no woni se banks binom ene foreign exchange no womo enya womo share FBN no ne ade ni oyi mu adanse fo a nanso obetumi ayede obebia se dollar no ebeba wo se ne womo epe krofa ma so sika ne titi ni dollar ne kosoro ene ukura $1 no e 14.5 wahima ingress dia ni so 18 enu nti amane memu ya ayede kakra nanso wogina ne naso ebo adwuma ne mrante ne maba wa bibia be kama
that our economy continues to be on a path of progress. And it is our expectations that this disinflation process already begun will be sustained. I'm sure you know that this also means that the exchange rate stability will be sustained. It's not possible to continue the disinflation process with exchange rates that are not stable. So implicit in that statement is to give assurance to you all about the stability of the cedi going forward. I'm aware that this morning, for example, every bank got a little bit of FX from the central bank. Apparently there were one or two that didn't need it. But so we are keeping a very keen eye on developments on the foreign exchange market. Report that our economy continues to be on a path of progress.
Yetwa kasia bono eso mampeni abedi eche Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Kwabranche mai baomia ena sabre woka sei na sedi yenyina ye nimisa papa digital ne chepwa onyankuru poncho edi ampode ahye ne tirimu wosi dwumade bi efa ne se ECD eyade a ebetumi abo papa ma kwan ye nipa bi fa so ne abanwuma mu emesika ehwere wo man no kiatuatua sa ntokro ni nyina osi 2021 ene wo yes adwumade nyina wie yes e makwan na ye adwuma na bank batan no asema wo kan putoka sem de friend say economic dislocation eno na akofa sa wo ha nyina dade aba na nso nim say eyade e be ye adwuma na o kasa of 14th Commonwealth Regional Conference ewo enkran ni nyina eye kwampa be fa so market asese kan any project ebetumi atuase Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Baomia sesa digital technology abefo samui ne kwan ba ko efre ni say ECD no eye twono no a ebeboa papa amantokro ni abon awodo biada ni pada sani se opeso ofaso no wawie sika no nya ye adwuma se kiko ene ne asi ano kra wawie ene ode na asem san behwe mu se the friend is national education system eno so ya kwan ba ko ebetumi ede asi kwan bone ano ama fanfan ye aye adwuma
are very pressing and which can easily be tackled by investments in digitalization with appropriate digital tools. First, the enormous threat bribery poses to our young people. the future of the continent. The estimates suggest that a significant percentage of people who have contact with a public official will most likely pay a bribe or be asked to. And presently, is the younger people aged between 25 to 34 who are the groups most likely to pay bribes. With more than 60% of Africans under 25 years, it needs no repeating that the future of our continent is under significant threat if we don't defeat corruption soon. Clearly, if we hold back our youth through the oppressive burden of bribery, Africa will not be able to achieve its potential as a continent. Ladies and gentlemen,
Dr. Alaji Mamudu Baumia and Yatin and Kanum. Ojom training the match in Yamanyoko, Yera Johnson said Katia Ekasa, or so I catch a party agent, NDC for one word in church on one same, Sabato Commissioner, Syriano Menginamon Famra, Nabato Commissioner, Waba Montreso, watch him say, and Yamra, any woman should say it, then so said Katiasa Yantron Famra San say, I pack meeting and Siababe to just say biometric voter devices, Binuma Yara. Yeah, no, to me, Kofa. Ebetuma convention so aba na dia bra ba to kese a ebeto no enu nti no so ahye ne nkrofo se wo mu twere sidia no manemre no
eti se mo nua no bi na be fa ko hye ba bi a ebetwere di mo nya be gu na se wo mo ye mu nua no nti mu bie e ma wo na wo mu twere ye ye di se ko te se a ye be da mu se mo bie bi sa wo mu twere so be ba enti Sensane dia dia muni kwa kwere adwuma yeso ya ma ye nipa mi nyina ntete yese ba bibia o mo de afidie no bi eye adwuma aye twedi yen share na chance dia no so yen copy siria no ma e wo so ni emu se za afidie we eye properly deployed ewo proper and legal registration center, Electoral Commission, more gazette.
We are no free Christian Council, National Chief Mamo, anyone Makabi, a woman in Ada, so a moment on one moment Makabi, non the Omus soon say, I fear more about why a babatuano, Mammy James and a pound fono, near my woman yeno, and to me my fanfire, and my abatuno.
Finally, let me use this opportunity to repeal our call to the Ghanaian population, particularly through the civil society organizations, chiefs, opinion leaders, leaders of faith-based organizations, etc., to join us to demand more transparency and fairness, which is a necessary precondition for peaceful elections. Anybody who is interested in peaceful elections must begin demanding transparency and fairness in the elections.
Yera Johnson said Katia we jam training di ma NDC chineye amanyokuo no na so wada wamda swai jina baby a wonu jina Yera said Katia se sa abato komisa ne ma ayira ne de ka so beti ase a wonti ase ne wonti ase china sentwofo nhia mu na se ba ho na isi director of public affairs eno wo kirem se so obi nkotro siria na ma e wo isi mfamra no emwa essence wo mo bambo kra ebo won madwuma ho ban no ene pese ye de to form etwetwe na se no na so papa John Tese du Katia se wono de ba bi ogina na ogina se enfidie ni bi ayira na besi ne enya hu ye ne de ne nkrofo no nkoso antwero enema no famre no.
Risks are as follows, and I'll take the risks one by one and prove to you how hollow about this response is. First, compromise state security. The serial numbers are integral to the security framework of BVR kits. Disclosure of these numbers could potentially allow unauthorized access to the devices, thereby compromising integrity of the voter registration process. What about the stolen ones? Were they not stolen together with their serial numbers? And when the thieves entered the Didn't they have opportunity to even pick as many serial numbers as possible from those they couldn't carry away? And the same commission is telling
yeah, board ya remu ana ye ko amanane soafo abedi atwe onumunyamfo kwaku amprachum sapon na wodi asem bia betudwa wo kirem se we Spain aban no a ne aboa ma musika sematumi akonkan ne amanfrafo a wokọ mani mu won mo ginamu no wo mu nchemu no edu wose emfa ho se binum nam suoso ne anwatam ne kwanbone so ekowura mu Spain no aban no ahunu se ahoho eba ho no wo mo boa papa yera kwakwa amprachum de asem itudwa wono na emra hyebedwani ma de hye wo asante mampon wo bra na wo mudi dwumadie bi a friend say Afro Diaspora Conference na ye roman ya wadubu achi akopiem ho bia no ne twetwe nkomo e no de asem so eritudwa osoafo ise ne nsem a waka no e wo conference no ase no ya de a ebetumi aboa ama o hawo bi e wo magana ene yesika semu no ye ko yanim no san hye ni nyina so ay kama.
There's a large number of diasporans. In the first place, Spain population is about 6.5 million. Of that number, 5 million they are and of that 5 million, there is 1.2 million and also recognize Sompa will about 10% is contributed by diasporans. And out of the 10%, one more cousin has a cow more diasporans in constitution. Just 1%. The rule of us also recognize diasporans if they are able to quote the diasporans, they are able to engage diasporans. So we want to be educated and then she shall to for a year. And diasporans is there. So we to be a more it looks like they are getting more from the diasporans than they are actually spending on the diasporans. And the best way forward is not just for the Spanish government, it's also one track on a baby. Who decided to be a Nazi. They feel that it is best to say that the diasporans representatives in the share. I have brought to actually. How they are being treated there. There's a whole range of areas that we are looking at this conference. Because here, to do the PA fit our program. Discrimination, you can take it away. When you offend xenophobia, xenophobia is a people over there. Ahohwasa nti wo yo mo yaka de ne ba wo bi ntu taya ebi frem da wo goma jealousy bibi ya aseso mo and more so you and the crowd are passing a certain resolution here. Almost all countries will have to take a very proactive stand and position.
Monya for kwa mprachum wono na yama no ne so afo abedi akire wosan so ye mrahye bedwani e ma de hye e wo mampon woni yewura o man ya wadubu ache ene ebra aboga pa ene ani wabuko tumu a sipeni wo mu gina mu eze nkomobo no e koso sa no na agire se ne enya se getu ya jo akase bodo ezo na national president ma Ghana National Association of Artists and Publishers orajo akwasi amponsa no chire mu se no kurani odwuma wo mo ye no akwa ti se enya obi bi ni abubonu ya ka beka chense dwuma fonsa wonya ye wa friends and twefo nhia mu se eto awodo a de agu wo madwuma no so na madwuma no igu ya free de be de processing levy ECOWAS levy COVID-19 levy ene kroni ba igu so na ha dwen wo mo sere aba no nya bibi mfa ho
maame nom ne ye papa no mu a mo bie schools na oni edida wo akwanuasa so eto ye nwoma ede kire ade e wo school mo ene sayesia wo ha na ye ni media for asia de ye ka kire mu nyina ne se emprempre ya ye ka sei ya ye ton na ye twere edi nkan ye twere etintim enwoma wo oman mu nyina no emra ya sese a eboa se eyi emfri oyone ni amania say yanke ya ebetoye ewo ye dwuma mu no eni say efri na akuri wona eto enwoma wo ye ho no ntiase say ya tutu buku bu to ya tutu buku bu mu no say na etie ye mofra na ewo keji ye mofra na ewo keji ye mfa free nursery ekoka keji no efri na ekro wo nwoma no wo beto no 50 to 60 cities ye mofra na ewo primary 1 ekoka primary 6 no efri na ekro enwoma yeton no wo beto no 60 said ye ni aban digwa no asesa say aban say what the 27.5% VAT to say a couple near koyi ebusu na befie abeton a na nkaga de 4 year enka de was here ya ni say aban the 27.5 to ye niam mu dia yes ye the same amount and I beche miensa e dia tubu kubu minianom say no be ka buku bu ho a wan hwe ya akora wo nursery obeto bu semine wo kase
President Aojina Mudi my mammy ne papa no a wo mutintim enwoma ye wie kase bo no a ye nyina nim se wo man no be punato se ye ntwiro din titu ne ye mane ye mofra afei ene wo ba beto aba no enam so emasuku edine nan bi asiwa amasa mabunu dudu no abafie edin twotwo ne nti nanso amabunu ne se de nti e mo ba ye no wo haw ne amane a wo namu ba bi a ye twotwo din nti wo mu beja no makọ mu suku mu akwa akosua ya de sanse ba wo ba ye na semfa so bi ani eba so de ama wonum
2 days am dia ba na misa and I'm about face to face omo ma mi yogurt ne bread ana ene omo se me mbela me ko fie omo ka che me se and am come by am gina but the man ma be bila sa la na nko na ni mo manage nti ahodo ase hele me den ka kan kakra ana mi gwa inside am ka che me se oh ana mo de me ka ne ma mi ara na so ahodo ti duro na am se me si bra mo ase me ye mo be na mo de me ka na ma 2 days abedila so ana ya ko no me de o mo feel e form do we feel bushing there's about to be na e ko na inside no ya toro na na e do di net na da article fine ya dia se let ga to na buy go se so mo si ya e ko je go do vie no je buy no di lie no ne za ga want na amutu ama ko ere e be sai on no tuna twen na bo to be tuna kana sa kan de ba de
and then we buy almost no problems, you know. We economic and also we buy almost network projects. I have from which actually is my numbers, and I'm also using numbers. I have a yes, yeah, show them fill forms and brands on it. Baba say, see, I'm my own because I see a course with the students. Oh, how will be found? Oh, my years to us on the own course for home coffee. Yeah, we are not mama.
Yo, ahobrase ahe na ekasa na ne nyasam ketua ne abrante pa wache ne chena na bi nom mudi free SHS na ebo mo ho asafo he no nkola no neguo no akaso mbenyu o card de wontra ho ebusia akase no asi ena efiada ai miura ena tie adwamu wotina mu dia ma na konta o ma he ya wadubo ache ai na said ye nyina 21st clinic there 15 branches across Ghana to asintin twetwenwa eno a na ese wokona akogya ya hye wo ho ba bi ebi ben obiada bowura mu mizo 5G no so ye de topon ye de ye de gia wade ebi wase amanimu nyam no kosoro papa tire eko capsules dia yam tim de chan wo yam timu ajai na okoche ya ne so na no so akofa nsempi ababi nso a oti efitwehiem bomoden so obaji bi na wanom na ne manyina tumi akonkai kama yewura asante ebo Benedict kwaku eni semfo pani ya so na kasebo isokroje enso edema mi senke fiada no pade news ase de me be den na so mi wura mi wura ya bo ama mi tumi adwuma ne mfro no so saa se me so ni mu ye so ba papa bi ade no wota ni ku achi a wo bo na chiri dom ti machi mabotira mabeka no suro de ama no agoso so mu ani obewu o na wote afidie na chi su ni obewu ni ame kan a wo so wabu afuo no ono so abebo adwuma atena ho e de ama MCR ho so wanum na ho azuka Kevin, ezuka nso akeka hyem emmie mu dendenden be tetena ya ase. Orozo o abuziafo. Efra mo yini ni amakrancha da so of mami premier ni. Ye hia tachi ma batra so dem we. No